Most people are overwhelmed with emails every day, but there are ways to make your inbox more manageable. One way is with Gmail categories. By default, Google has categories for primary, updates, forum, promotions, and social, but these might not be the best options for everyone. Here's how to add and remove categories across your desktop and with Android devices. On your desktop device, go to the Settings icon of Gmail. Click Settings and then select Inbox. You'll see a variety of options. Click or unclick the checkboxes of the categories that you want to include. You can also choose to have starred messages in your primary category and bundle top promo emails. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. With your Android device, open the Gmail app. Choose Settings from the menu option. Be sure the inbox type is set to Default Inbox. Select Inbox Categories and then add and remove the categories you want to use. Right Inbox saves you time on repetitive tasks and lets you send more emails in less time consistently. Track emails, automate email follow-ups, and send emails later with Right Inbox. Download Right Inbox free from the Chrome Store today.